You didn't buy no cookie sheet?
I bought 2 cookie sheets. You can't put them cookie sheets y'all had on no video. Come on.
Soldier boy, tell. Soldier boy, I been it. Why me crank it? Why me?
Welcome back to my channel. This is Vlogmas Day 6. And I'm Tajala. We have Madre, who is Tranisha.
My first cookie we'll make is chocolate chip. And our second one will be a festive Christmas cookie. We have our ingredients. And this is not my recipe. It's a Pillsbury dough recipe. So then we'll take a mixer and mix it up.
Sounding all proper.
Oh, well, you know, I got education.
She don't really be talking like that.
You know, the education.
Use your voice you use at work.
And at home. I know, I had to, but girl, you can't put that. Girl. So you want to make sure it's mixed real good. You know, that's how you be sounding, child. You know what I'm saying?
I used to. I'm slowly but surely progressing, okay?
The eggs are already cracked and to the bowl. Not mixed. Like to add a little extra to my bacon. Baking. That's the country. I'm really not from the country. I'm from California, Los Angeles, born and raised. The people say I sound country. So now we're gonna add the flour. This will be interesting because the mixture is already thick and they want us to add 4 cups of flour.
It is lickable, okay? Tastes good.
But I got a little more. And that's your bacon sauce.
How did y'all come up with the nickname Lady?
Tajala, so short lady. She was like a little lady when she was little.
In the kitchen, wrist twisted like a stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like a stir fry.
Okay, we're gonna use a ice cream scooper to scoop up the mixture. Yeah, it don't have to be Christmas.
It is. This Vlogmas, okay?
Vlogmas is chocolate chip. What kind of cookies do they leave for Santa Claus? Chocolate chip cookies.
Details of the recipe down below. That's it. Like the video down below. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.